Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best face moisturizer is probably one of the most crucial steps in any woman's anti-aging skincare routine, working tirelessly to hydrate, plump, and protect your skin from environmental stressors that accelerate the aging process, ultimately helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting a radiant, youthful glow that turns back the clock. Number 5. Baebody Retinol Cream for Face. Discover the power of our retinol cream, expertly crafted to combat fine lines and wrinkles. Reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion with every application. Experience the nourishing blend of jojoba oil and vitamin E. These natural ingredients work together to deeply hydrate and revitalize your skin. See a noticeable reduction in the appearance of aging. This potent formula is designed to restore your skin's youthful vitality. Proudly made in the USA, our cream meets high-quality standards. You can trust in its efficacy and safety for your daily skincare routine. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This luxurious cream is an ideal present for any woman who deserves a touch of pampering and self-care. Enjoy 50 milliliters, 1.7 fluid ounces, of our premium formula. A little goes a long way to maintain your skin's healthy glow. What we like? This formula is packed with retinol and vitamin E to combat aging. Its infusion of jojoba oil provides excellent hydration. If you're looking for a USA-made product that targets fine lines and wrinkles with nourishing ingredients, this is a great choice. What people say. This moisturizer is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which help to hydrate and brighten the skin. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for use under makeup. Users have reported a noticeable reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after consistent use. Number 4. Baebody Collagen Retinol Snail Mucin Face Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate anti-aging solution. This powerful cream is designed to combat fine lines and wrinkles, revealing a smoother, more radiant complexion. Experience the synergy of collagen, retinol, and snail mucin. This potent blend works to rejuvenate your skin, diminishing the appearance of aging. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it provides intense hydration. Your skin will feel plump, supple, and deeply moisturized all day long. Specifically formulated to target and reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a visibly younger-looking appearance with consistent use. This luxurious cream nourishes your skin, helping to restore its natural elasticity and firmness. Embrace a revitalized and healthy-looking glow. Reveal your skin's natural radiance. It works to improve skin texture and tone, leaving you with a beautifully smooth and luminous finish. What we like? Experience a powerful blend of collagen, retinol, and snail mucin for advanced anti-aging. Hyaluronic acid ensures deep hydration. If you want a comprehensive formula that tackles multiple signs of aging and boosts skin elasticity, this moisturizer is designed for you. What people say. This moisturizer is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love the lightweight formula of this moisturizer. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. My fine lines and wrinkles have visibly reduced since I started using this product. Number 3. Retinol Hyaluronic Acid Face Cream. Discover the ultimate solution for aging skin. Our advanced formula is designed to combat wrinkles and dryness effectively. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this cream deeply hydrates your skin. Experience a plumper, more supple complexion. Help your skin regain its youthful firmness. It works to stimulate collagen for a smoother appearance. Use it day and night for continuous care. It provides essential moisture and anti-aging benefits around the clock. Perfect for both women and men seeking to improve their skin. Embrace a revitalized look at any age. Enjoy this ample 1.85-ounce jar, ensuring you have plenty of product. It's a lasting addition to your skincare routine. What we like? This cream combines retinol with hyaluronic acid for effective wrinkle reduction and hydration. It's suitable for both day and night application. If you need a versatile, unisex moisturizer that combats dryness and aging, this product offers a complete solution. What people say. This moisturizer is a game-changer for anti-aging. It hydrates deeply without feeling greasy, leaving my skin smooth and plump. I've noticed a significant reduction in fine lines and wrinkles since using it. Number 2. No 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Face Cream SPF 30. Experience the lifting and illuminating power of our Triple Action Face Cream. It's designed to visibly firm and brighten your complexion. This advanced moisturizer is formulated with collagen peptides to combat signs of aging. It works to restore a youthful appearance to your skin. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays with built-in SPF 30. This daily cream provides essential sun protection while it nourishes. Enjoy the benefits without irritation. Our fragrance-free formula is gentle on your skin, making it suitable for daily use. See a noticeable difference in skin texture and radiance. It helps to smooth fine lines and reveal a more luminous glow. This cream delivers essential hydration to keep your skin supple and revitalized. It's your daily step towards healthier-looking skin. What we like. Enjoy broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection while addressing aging concerns with collagen peptides. This formula is also fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. If you're looking for an all-in-one daytime moisturizer that protects, firms, and is gentle on the skin, this is the one. What people say. This moisturizer is a game-changer for anti-aging. It significantly reduced the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels firmer and more hydrated after using it. Number 1. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Introducing the No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. This powerful formula works overnight to revitalize your face and neck. Infused with collagen peptides, it targets signs of aging for a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience the difference as it deeply moisturizes. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides work together to plump and hydrate your skin. It helps to combat crepey skin, restoring a youthful look. See a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. This cream is designed to enhance your skin's natural renewal process while you sleep. Specifically formulated for both your face and neck, it delivers comprehensive anti-aging care. Enjoy smoother, more radiant skin by morning. Give your skin the intensive treatment it deserves. This night cream is your secret to waking up with beautifully restored and refreshed skin. What we like. This nighttime cream is specifically designed for intensive repair of face and neck. It features ceramides and hyaluronic acid to restore the skin barrier and deeply hydrate. If you want to target crepey skin and boost overnight rejuvenation, this is your perfect nighttime companion. What people say. This moisturizer is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which work together to hydrate and brighten the skin. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for use under makeup. Users have reported a noticeable reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after consistent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.